Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change a language in Gemini AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Gemini and I'm going to show you how we can change a language. As you can see that there is no language option right here guys, but don't worry because we can still change our Gemini language. To change the language, we need to open up our Google account. You can click on your profile icon and then you can select manage your Google account. And then we're going to change the language of our Google account. Go to your personal info to change the language of your Google account. And here you can select language and you can choose the language you want to apply to your Gemini. And for example, I'm going to select Indonesian language like this. I'm gonna click on save and then the language will be automatically changed, and I'm going to go back to my Gemini and I'm going to refresh it. Okay, and as you can see guys that the language in this Gemini has been changed to Indonesian language. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change a language in Gemini AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.